The Holy Stone HS720R 4K GPS camera drone is a high-quality, FAA-compliant device with a built-in remote ID module eliminating worries about FAA guidelines or remote ID issues. This drone features a 1/3-inch CMOS Sony Sensor and a 3-axis gimbal 4K EIS camera, capable of shooting breathtaking professional-level photos and videos, enhanced with Time Lapse Photography technology. The HS720R drone boasts an upgraded transmission range of up to 10,000 feet, supported by a powerful brushless motor, and an upgraded intelligent 2950 mAh modular battery that allows for 26 minutes of flight time. Equipped with the latest GPS positioning system, this drone provides precise and reliable positioning for smooth flying, and has an auto-return feature for when the battery runs low or the connection breaks up. Ideal for beginners, the HS720R drone has an advanced intelligent control system, including a beginner mode, auto hover, and optical flow positioning that make it easy to learn and master quickly. The Holy Stone Ophelia Fly app enhances the flying experience by allowing the drone to perform functions such as follow me, waypoint flight, and point of interest, making aerial filming easy and enjoyable.